locate your Canva app, allow it to load. Once it's loaded, the next thing you do is you click on the search button and make sure it is clicked to templates, not projects. Project now will be giving you everything that I have designed, that you have already designed on the Canva app. It will save there anytime you can get it. This is templates. You have to click on the templates. Then let me search for flyers. It can be business flyer. Okay, let's narrow. If you want to narrow it down, you can say church. You can search for church flyers. You can search for what they call it, business flyers. You can search for different things. You can search for video, but you can search for animation. You can search for mock-ups. You can search for different things that you can think of. But let us start with flyers. Let us just search flyers. Still loading. Let's wait for it to load. It's taking a little time. Let's just wait. Now, these are the flyers, business flyers. Can you see? This is for, you can even search clothes flyers, clothing business flyers. You can even search for food flyers. You can search for whatever. You can limit it to what you want to do. You can search for sports flyers, concert flyers, and blah blah blah. Everything you want. Like this is clothing now. Okay, maybe let's say we are selling clothes now. I'm selling. Let's pick this now. Let's design this. You allow it to load, and it will bring you down to the editing platform. Everything you see here, you can remove and you can add. If you decide to leave it like this, all you need to do is, okay, new fashion clothes, enjoy today's discount. And you want to put your logo, you want to put your own name, your business name. Let's say, okay, just edit it. Just click on it, then click on edit.